Hey you guys, I am at my local big box store and I'm purchasing soil to fill our garden beds in the greenhouse. I have 11 total, but 3 of them have been filled already. And what I've been doing is buying topsoil and buying compost and then mixing it together and putting it in the beds. It's been very labor intensive, but I want to show you guys something. This product that I've just found. This is a Texas native composted manure topsoil. So this has the composted manure and the topsoil already mixed in the bag, so I don't have to do any mixing, and it is organic. I saw that on here. 100% organic. So I've got 24 bags here. I'm going to do 4 bags in each garden bed, and I also have that super soil that I purchased from a local landscaping company, and this should be all the soil that I need to fill those beds in the greenhouse. So I'm really excited about that. I want to work smarter, not harder, so I don't have to spend the time mixing up this soil.